Hi everyone, it's Mr. Bray again, your technology teacher, with another helpful video to help you when you're in our Google Meet classrooms. So when you're in Google Meet, sometimes in class I will ask you to present your screen or share your screen. Just want to kind of go over how that works because I can do a lot better job of helping you if I can see your screen. So to share your screen or present your screen, you want to go to Present Now. You will click on Present Now. I usually ask students to do window, the one in the middle. That seems to be the best way for me to help you. So you would click on window, then you would find this. It'll say meet, all these letters, whatever. If you do not select it, you will not be able to share it. Okay, so when you go to present now and go to window, people keep telling me, well, Mr. Bray, I can't share. Share's not an option. You have to click on what you want to share. Once you click it, then you can share your screen. So right now, I am sharing my screen for everyone. So I might say share your YouTube video, or share your Epic, or share your class link. Now you are sharing all of this with me. When you are done sharing, you simply go to stop sharing, which is located down the bottom here. So you will stop sharing, and now you are no longer sharing. This can help me out a whole lot when we're in a lesson and you're stuck and can't find something. So feel free to watch this video, go over it a couple times, and you'll